Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix savings strategies with Bank of America step by step clearly. To fix your savings strategies with Bank of America, start by assessing your current savings goals. Log into your Bank of America online banking account. Navigate to the savings section to review your existing accounts. Evaluate the interest rates for each account you have. Determine if your current savings accounts are meeting your savings goals. If not, consider options for high-yield savings accounts available at Bank of America. Research the features and benefits of each account type offered by the bank. Compare the annual percentage yields, or APYs, to identify which accounts provide the best returns. If you haven't already, set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Decide how much money you want to save and the frequency of these transfers. Use the budgeting tools available in your Bank of America app to track your spending. Identify areas in your budget where you can cut back to increase savings. Adjust your automatic transfer amounts if necessary. Consider utilizing Bank of America's Savings Goals feature, which allows you to set specific targets. Regularly monitor your progress towards these goals through the app or website. Look into promotions or special offers that may boost your savings potential. If you have multiple savings accounts, consolidate them for better management. Review your strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with any changes in your financial situation. Consult with a Bank of America financial advisor if you have complex savings needs. Stay informed about any changes to interest rates and adjust your accounts as needed. By following these steps, you can enhance your savings strategy effectively with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.